I can't.
Here. There. Okay, go pull. Jan.
What?
Oh, the second box. Okay.
Oh, there's another side.
Oh,
wait,
be careful.
I can see it,
Careful.
I can see it.
Me too. Wait, I know what it is.
Mhm.
I know what it is.
Careful.
What is it?
Okay.
Then stop.
Put it up, anak
Jan,
ka.
Jan, stop.
Put up the ano.
I know what this is.
Unboxing.
I know what this is.
Thank you, Madam Christina.
Is it?
You'll see. Why is this so hard to open? It's the Trader Joe's bag!
There's a purple one.
Jan, go look for yours. Oh, Jan, one for Jan and one for Gabby.
No, I want this.
Wait, is this
That's yours?
gummy tree?
Come on, dig in.
There's so many.
Wait, remove all of it.
No more.
I just taking the blue one.
No, you're not having any. I'm taking blue because I ordered it, and purple, and because I ordered it, and pink because I ordered it.
I'm just gonna take one.
You want blue?
Or do you want green?
Hmm.
I have the Trader Joe's bag. Yes, Stewie Nemo Nemo. Oh wait, no, John. I have a better idea. We need something that spins.
Spin.
The color of your Los Angeles.
Trader Joe's bag. I have a Trader Joe's.
Say thank you, Tita Carol.
Thank you. Ay,
Thank you, Tita Carol.
I can put my stuff in that bag.
Where's your phone?